Greetings, fellow mathematicians. Susan Grace here to talk to you about the many advantages of learning geometry. Let's start from 3000 BC, where geometry was first introduced in Egypt. They utilized geometry on various levels, from the construction of the pyramid to astronomy. A great mathematician named Euclid is often credited as the father of the geometry. Today, geometry helps us to figure out many things on daily basis. It helps with construction and architecture, computer imaging, video games and designing, mapping and navigation, and astronomy. The closer branch of science associated with geometry is physics. It helps explain motion and acceleration of an object and its trajectory. A combination of geometry and physics is famously seen in space and aeronautical science. Did you know? The orbiting of a rocket ship is calculated only with the help of geometry and physics even before the rocket launches. Well, I hope I have interested you in geometry and why you should learn it. Surely put some effort and geometry will repay you, no matter how challenging it seems. Euclid rightly said, Sire, there is no royal road to geometry. With that, I I take my leave. Hope your mathematical aspirations prosper. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Cedric Andrew. I am from 6A. I am going to speak about my favorite topic, angles. Angles are used everywhere in everyday life. The history of measurement of angles dates back to 1500 BC. In ancient times, where people will tell time using the sun and the shadows, and they make it possible to measure how far away the planets and stars are. Today, engineers and architects use angles for designs, roads, and buildings. Carpenters use angles to make chairs, tables, and sofas. Also, in my favorite sport, carom, there involves many geometric concepts like line segments and angles. Finally, there are no day to day objects without angles. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Swati. In mathematics, everything is interesting and amazing. Today I'm going to talk about geometry. Geometry means the measurement of the earth. It has many practical uses in every life, such as measuring circumference, area, and volume when you need to build or create something. Geometric shapes also play an important role in common reactional activities such as video games, sports, quilting, and food designs. Thank you.
I am going to speak about measurement in daily life. We use to measure the rate while sitting. We use the bike, fruit and vegetable in grocery shop by weight. We fill the petrol and diesel in proper amount. We choose aesthetic weight of the volume of the room. When we are sick, we use to take medicine in proper amount. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Divakaran. I am going to tell you about angles. What are angles? When two rays meet at a point, they form an angle. Did you ever notice the two hands of a clock? The two hands together make different sets of lines from a common point. These sets of lines from a common point is called angle. The two hands from different angles every minute of the time. A clock forms an example of angles in real life. Even engineers and architects use angles for designs, road buildings, and sporting facilities. Athletes use angles to enhance their performance. Carpenters use angles to make chairs and tables and sofas. Artists use their knowledge of angles to sketch portraits and paintings. So, without angles, you can't even build a house. Angles is the best topic in mathematics. Thank you.